nagsimula na ang games sa kiddie party ni Cora.
So, babalik tayo ulit sa pagiging bata ulit natin. First game, trip to Jerusalem. So, kailangan natin ng anim na chair. Dance! We need to dance, guys!
Oh, dancing like adults? Children, not children. No, let's dance like adults.
Dance! Okay, Tanner!
Wait,
Yes.
Sige,
Tuwang-tuwa po si Ate Cora, Big Brother. Para siyang bata talaga. Para siyang yung pa 7 years old na bata.
Bring out! Bring out!
Dance! Dance!
Dance!
Children, dance!
Sayaw po kami ng sayaw. Naisip ko po para sobrang nag-e-enjoy si Ate Cora habang nangyayari yun.
Dance! Dance! Dance!
Dance!
Game lang din siya, kuya. Tapos sinasabi nga niya na never naman siya nagka-children's party na ganun. And mukhang nag-enjoy naman po siya.
Sobrang galak na galak po siya.
Happy birthday, Cora! Go! Happy birthday, Cora! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Kahit papaano, naging daan po kami para matuloy yun. Mag-enjoy sa Ate Cora. Yun na yung pinakaregalo namin, Big Brother.
30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 18.
Sobrang sulit yung pagod tsaka sakit ng katawan, Big Brother. Iingiti pa lang ni Ate Cora, sulit na. Tsaka yung pagka-surprise niya.
22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Matapos ang games, isang espesyal na seremonya naman ang binigay nila kay Cora.
Let's walk our princess towards the stage. Let's give them a round of applause, guys.
Thank you, gentlemen.
We want to treat you like a real princess today.
I've never seen this before.
Tonight, you're not just a princess. You're more like a queen.
She was just masaya the entire night. So it was just good to see her smile. It was good to be part of it and make her happy because she's been through a lot.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Sobrang saya, syempre. Parang nakalimutan ko na 27 ako. Parang, parang baby lang. Feeling ko nasa birthday ako ng iba. And then, maaalala ko birthday ko pala. So, sobrang saya. Sobrang nakaka-surprise. Hindi ko talaga na-expect na magiging ganun kasaya po ako today.
Susunod ang mas malaki pang sorpresa para kay Cora.
Hey, Corlene, happy birthday.
Hey, babe. I miss you.